Meaning of enjoy.
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 Enjoy. Enjoy refers to experiencing pleasure or satisfaction from something. It is a feeling of happiness that arises when we engage in activities or things that bring us pleasure or contentment. Enjoying something can result in positive emotions such as joy, excitement, relaxation, and a sense of fulfillment. This feeling may be experienced during events like eating delicious food, listening to music, spending time with loved ones, reading a good book, or traveling to a new place. By engaging in activities that we enjoy, we can improve our overall well-being and lead a happier life.